All right, he said put the springs in, so here we go. Strange, it doesn't have anything to rest on. They look all right. Then he said to put the booster spring in, a booster, whatever you call this thing is, this here. Take this, put a little fluid on it. Y'all make sure y'all check him out now. He also said to put some grease on the end of that. And this part here goes out. So let's get a little grease because it ain't gonna stay in there. Just a little grease, like I said, just a little. So I got a little. I'm gonna put it in here like this. He said that you should replace this, is what he said. He said you should replace this whole thing, but I'm not. Then he takes it and he puts it in. Oh, I forgot to put juice on it. Bad, it's blasted. I forgot to put some juice on it, guys. Let me pull it out. I'm supposed to put juice on that. Something strange is happening. Look at that. Oh, it's in. Is that thing supposed to be bouncing? Don't seem like it's bouncing at all. Seems like it stopped. I can see it doing that. There's like no play. When I do that, it'll stop. It'll spring, but when it goes all the way to the bottom, it doesn't spring. What does that mean? Let's see. Because when he did his bounced like this. And then he pushed it in. But mine doesn't bounce at all. Let me double check him. I heard to check him. I heard to check. Oh, tell you the truth, man. Precision Instruments.
Almost every valve and sleeve I check are badly worn and can cause. Get the new assembly. Start it in its board. Make sure you wear glasses and install the snap ring. Look closely to see that the ring is fully in its groove.
Yeah, because see, his bounces. Mine doesn't. Something's wrong there. Something ain't right there. This thing is supposed to be bouncing. It's supposed to be bouncing just like that. But it doesn't. It just goes in there flat. Am I going to worry about that? I don't think so. I don't think I'm gonna worry about it. Let's get this spring out of there. Now, this spring, there are two of them in here. The question is it supposed to be bouncing? So I'm just going to stretch it a little bit. I've done this before. Stretch my springs. I don't know if you want to do that or not, though. But I've done that before. I've stretched my springs when I thought that they needed a little decompressing. I'll do this one the same, because his was bouncing. His was bouncing. Not to say that mine is supposed to not bounce, but at least I want to do like his did. And I don't want to go buy any of these things. Alright, so let me put this in here. Take those out again. This is supposed to stick together. Here it goes. Then he naturally has this in, and he took it, he put it in like this. And when he put it in, you see how that's bouncing? You see how that's bouncing now? Oh, that's not bouncing. Now, I guess there it is. See how it's bouncing? I don't know if you can see that. But let me get the tool so you can see that. I hope you can see that. Now watch it bounce. See it bouncing now? See, it wasn't bouncing before. Alright, so that's bouncing now. How long it's going to do that, I don't know. Then he said to take the ring, if this is the right one. This may not be the right one. That one's a little one. This one's a big one. Let's take the ring. Get your glasses. Put your glasses on. Get the needle nose and the real needle nose. The real ones. I mean, they are like needles. And put it on here. These don't want to act right. Don't ever want to act right. Always, these things are so old. But you get you some good equipment, guys. Yeah, don't be messing around with bad stuff. Look at that. See, this thing is supposed to grab that thing. See that? See if I can at least get it started in the hole. I've got an inch-pound wrench coming, and I don't want that. I don't want to have to pay any more money. I'm tired of putting money into this car. I want to put money in something else. Not this car. That is not working. So I'm gonna have to find some kind of way to push it down in there. Get your tool, guys. Get your own. Get your tool right. Get your tool right. Get the right tool. I'm not going to be able to get it in there. doesn't work. I should make it work. Make it enough. It ain't gonna work. Let me get this thing in here and get back with y'all later.